Most of the gamers don't know how to use PS Touch for making gaming thumbnails. So today I will show you how can you make a gaming thumbnail using Pixellab and KineMaster. So let's begin. You have to remove the background of the gaming character. Delete the text. Make the background color black. Select YouTube thumbnail size. Import the gaming character PNG. Change the character PNG color to black. Enable stroke. Also enable shadow. You can select any bright color and set the blur strength at 25. Now save it. Disable shadow and once again save it. Change the text. Increase padding. Change the font of the text. Font link is in description. Go to color. Make this type of gradients. Enable stroke. Select white color. Increase the stroke white. Also enable inner shadow. Enable the shadow. Make copy and change the text. Increase the spacing between the text. Also change the gradient color. Do the same process for other text. Now adjust it properly. And save it. Now we have to edit in KineMaster. Import this image. Go to effects. Select this effect. You can download this effect from KineMaster store. Go to the settings of this effect and adjust the settings like me. Then add this image as a layer and make it full screen. Simply change the blending mode to screen. Now click on this button and capture a frame. Import the gaming wallpaper as a background. Then add the gaming character PNG as a layer. Now adjust it properly. Now go to the adjustments of the background, change the default settings and make it black and white and darker. Go to effects and select Gaussian blur. and send it to back. Make it this type of gradient. You can also make this type of gradient in Pixellab. Change the blending mode to overlay and send it to back. Import this image and change the blending mode to screen. Now adjust it properly. Also import this type of elements. Simply change the blending mode to screen and send them to backward. Now import the text PNG. Now capture a frame. After some color grading in Lightroom, it will look like this. So that's it for today. If you need any help, then DM me on Instagram. This is my username. And make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I will upload this type of amazing content in future. Thanks for watching.